All right, so I have baby fine hair. It's obviously a short length, but it's not a pixie. And I'm gonna use the 1.5 inch today just to get a smooth blowout look. My favorite part about the FAUXblo is I just either let my hair dry itself, or today, because I just shampooed it, I took the blow dryer and just got it dry. But I didn't have to use a brush or anything like that, because now I'm gonna use my FAUXblo. So I like to do it as sections. It's very quick and easy. I do the bottom section first. I like this to flip up, but you could certainly flip it under. And a lot of times what I'll do is go both ways just to make sure I get that smooth shine into the hair. If you rock it back and forth, meaning if you go underneath and smooth and then go on top and smooth, you're gonna get a much more professional result. All right, then I'm gonna do my midsection. And again, you can go under, flip up, whichever way you choose. I'm just gonna clip that off. But I like to get some volume in my hair. So that means I'm lifting very high at those roots to get that lift. And then I'm just gonna go a little bit back with it. Gonna hold for that 5 seconds so I get some bounce and smoothness at the same time. My favorite part about the FAUXblo is that I can get right to the root. The teeth aren't hot, so it won't burn. And I can really lift using the cool tip to get that volume in there. I don't have to have eyes in the back of my head. It's pretty impossible for us to blow dry and round brush there at the same time. So you literally can do it just with the one tool in both your hands. And then you get that nice pop and that nice volume and smoothness at the same time. All right, and then I like to just take my bang section out and do that last. So I'm just gonna clip that away. I do like to get a lot of lift up on this top. So I'm gonna over direct. See how I'm moving forward with that? And then when I get these ends in, smooth those ends in by just spinning there at the ends and then rolling down. And then I like to hold it there for about 5 seconds. And then I literally just come and brush it out so I get that real nice pop and lift and smooth this all the way to the ends. With the side piece, I like to have it kind of flicking back. So I'm gonna go in with that piece going backwards, as you can see at an angle, but I wanna get some lift into that root as well. With the no tangle teeth, don't worry about it getting tangled in your hair, it won't. And then I can come out for some volume and that really nice movement backwards. All right, so the bang area I did is a triangle. So I'm gonna take that corner off the triangle first. Again, I'm gonna go in and get some real nice lift right at that root. Spin the ends in, and then really come nice and tight into that root area so that this way, when I come out, I have some bounce and lift at the root. Then I'm just gonna take my bangs. I like to swoop them over to the side, and the 1,000 bristles make that so easy to do. So in like less than 5 minutes, I can have a complete professional blowout look without even blow drying my hair. So as a professional stylist for 40 years, I use all different size round brushes on my clients, all depending the look. And you can too with the FAUXblo. The 1.5 just gives me that gorgeous, bouncy, voluminous blowout style. When I'm looking for a little bit more wave in my style, I use the smaller 1.25 inch and I twist it through so I can have a little bit more wave going on in the style. All right, and then when I'm just going for my smooth, sleek look, I use my 1 3/4.